Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the beginning of day 6. Well, today I won't be, covering all the chapters. As I told you yesterday, I will be giving a mock test today. The mock test is from, I think it's from 9 a.m. and I think it will end at around 5 p.m. So yeah, so almost half of my day will go to this exam. In the rest of the 4, 5, 6, I don't know how much time. I will analyze that paper and I will solve all the questions which I was not able to solve during the examination, and I will try to see the analysis of the paper. By what do I mean by see is my coaching institute actually gives a brief summary of how many questions of which chapters I was able to solve and not. So I will have to know myself better that which chapters are good and which chapters are not good. So I will be doing that. And yeah, I woke up at 5:45 around. Okay, so it's not good, but I think it's okay. I slept for around 6 hours and it's fine. So yeah, my morning was good, I will say good, although I didn't wake up at time, but it was good. I was not able to wake up in time because yesterday I went to sleep at around 12. So that is the reason, and I'm feeling better today. So let's see how the day goes. So yeah, best of luck. And some of you said you will be starting study from today, so all the best for all those who are starting from today. So yeah, we still have 15 days left, more than 15 days. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will be linking 2 videos and a subscribe button. Thanks.